Your vehicle has a traditional glove box compartment. To open it, pull this handle and lower the lid. When you want to lock or unlock the glove box, use your mechanical key. For the safety of your glove box contents, the intelligent key cannot be used to unlock the glove box. Your console storage box is located between the front seats. Push this button to open the console box. There are cup holders and bottle holders located conveniently in the center console and the rear seat armrest. The sunglasses holder is opened by a push and release motion. Your vehicle has hooks placed throughout the cargo area. Use these hooks to secure all cargo with ropes or straps. There are also a variety of storage bins, trays, and mat pockets located throughout the vehicle. Please see your owner's manual for important safety information, system limitations, and additional operating and feature information.